Hello guys, for today's video I am going to discuss division of integers. If you have noticed, multiplication and division of integers are the same rules when it comes to sign numbers. Okay, in division of integers there are four symbols of division. This is horizontal line and that is fraction bar symbol, slash or backslash, long division, obelisk or transparent, which you often find in math exams. In division of integers, we have an example. Ten divided by 2 is equal to 5. Kapag nilagyan natin ito ng sign numbers na parehong positive, positive 10 divided by positive 2 is equal to positive 5. Maaring hindi mo rin siya lagyan ng positive sign. Understood na positive na ito. Positive 10 divided by positive 2 is equal to positive 5. Ang 10 ay dividend, ang division ay operation, ang 2 ay divisor, at ang ating sagot na 5 ay quotient. So let's move to division of integers. If same sign, positive divided by positive is equal to positive, negative divided by negative is equal to positive. If different sign, positive divided by negative is equal to negative, negative divided by positive is equal to negative. Example, sa same sign muna tayo. 35 over 5 or 35 divided by 5. So, lagyan natin ito ng sign numbers. Na parehong positive. Positive 35 at positive 5. And that would be positive 7. Okay, clear? So, ang 35 ay dividend. Ang 5 ay divisor. At ang lumabas na sagot na 7 ay quotient. Maaari din natin hindi lagyan ito ng sign numbers na positive. Understood na positive ito. Okay? Let's move to another example. Negative 100 divided by negative 50. And that would be positive 2. So, pwedeng hindi mo ito lagyan ng positive sign. Understood na positive ito. Negative 100 over negative 50 is equal to positive 2. Okay. So, sa different sign naman tayo. Kapag different sign, positive divided by negative is equal to negative. negative divided by positive is equal to negative. So ito ang example. Positive 60 divided by negative 10. And that would be negative 6. Okay. So, pwede mo hindi lagyan ng positive ito. Understood na positive 60 na ito divided by negative 10 is equal to negative 6. Another example. Negative 55 divided by positive 5 is equal to negative 11. So, pwede mong hindi lagyan ito ng positive sign because understood na positive 5 ito. Okay, clear? Malinaw? Okay guys, there you have it. I hope that helped you a lot. Thank you.